Try these smart hacks to solve some small, everyday problems. If your sunscreen lotion has expired, don't throw it away. You can use it to rejuvenate wood, to remove ink from your skin, to nourish leather items, to remove glue residue, or to polish stainless steel. This does not work. Cut a hole in the center of the cloth and place it over the broom handle. Much better. This is the correct way to clean a mocha pot. Just scrub it gently with a steel wool sponge. In fact, using detergents is not recommended. With this homemade mixture, you can protect many different surfaces from dirt and grime. Check out the result on stainless steel. No fingerprints are left. Try also using it on your microwave. And to clean your windows. Removing hair stuck in an electric razor can be a challenge. A stiff cardboard card is what you need. Wow! Now it's cleaned properly. If scorch marks on the iron sole plate will not come off, rub them with a nail file. As good as new.